In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack. We'll walk through it step by step in a browser, and everything you see here also applies to the Slack desktop app. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website in the results. If you're prompted, sign into your workspace so you land on your Slack home screen. Once you're in, open the conversation where you want to add someone. This can be a direct message, a group DM, or a channel. Just a quick note. In private channels, only current members with permission can add people, and some organizations require admin approval. If you're working in a direct message, adding someone turns it into a small group conversation. At the top of the conversation, click the name in the header, either the channel name or the participant names, to open the conversation details. In that panel, click Add People to this conversation. This is the control that lets you include additional members without leaving the thread you're in. When the Add window appears, start typing the person's name or their work email. Slack will suggest teammates as you type, so select the correct person from the list. If the email isn't in your workspace, Slack may send an invite, depending on your organization's settings. This is handy when you're adding a teammate who hasn't joined yet, but remember that invites can require admin approval. Next, click Next to confirm your selection. You may see a prompt about message history, asking whether the new person should see recent messages or only new ones going forward. Choose the option that matches your team's needs and your company's privacy guidelines. Sharing only new messages keeps earlier content private. Sharing recent history can help the newcomer get context quickly. Finally, click Done. Slack will add the person to the conversation and usually send them a notification so they know they've been included. You should now see their name listed among the members, and they can start reading and replying based on the history option you selected. If you don't see Add People, the conversation may be restricted or your role may not allow it. Contact an admin. Also, double-check you're adding the right person, especially if multiple teammates have similar names. And be mindful that adding someone increases the visibility of conversation content. That's all it takes to add someone to a Slack conversation. Pause and replay any part if you want to follow along as you try it yourself.